This is Redmi Pad SE, and by default, if and not only that, if you go to setting anything regarding the split screen, but internally it works only when the Chrome is open. So this is how we do it for a split screen website. In that, it doesn't matter, just open Chrome, then it automatically opens split screen. From here you can say go back and open in directly, and this is not supported split screen, that is the reason it opened in full view. But this is what the work, and you can resize with this Redmi Pad SE. And if